Si Fangirl Mix. Short daw in Langga, ingat kayo palagi.
Thank you so much kay Fangirl Mix. Maraming salamat po sa pakulay niyo po, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Fangirl Mix. Thank you so much po kay Fangirl Mix.
Shoutout po kay Fangirl Mix. Thank you so much po.
Okay, ngayon po ibibigay ko po mga kaibigan kay Ate Rowelyn ang mikropono at pati na rin on the floor para i-facilitate po ang next part po natin. Yung special po para sa iyo, Dong.
The Golden-Hearted Rochelle Ladies in Force from US, Australia, and Canada. Good evening to all beautiful people present here tonight. Welcome to an elated celebration as we honor the incredible journey of someone very special, reaching a remarkable quarter-century milestone of his life. Let us join together in sending waves of warm messages and virtual cheers to make this 25th birthday an unforgettable celebration. As requested by the Golden-Hearted Rochelle Ladies in Force, we need everyone's cooperation to please lend me your ears. Silence as I read carefully the written messages as the celebrant slowly pulls up, one after the other, what's inside the mystery money cake. So Dong, I request you. Dito ka, Dong. May lighter.
Ito na yung gold pintas.
Okay, so let's start. The highly sophisticated, acclaimed best performer within the group. She is a manager event expert planner from Hillsborough, California, USA. A big applause to Tita Gina A. Peralta. Happy 25th birthday, Roel of Malalag. Your journey into adulthood is a remarkable adventure. May it bring you a lot of opportunities and meaningful memories for you to cherish. Enjoy your day and may God bless you always. Okay, second, the innovative, empowering, and stalwart Chief Executive, a bank manager and director of U.S. Bank of America. She is from Fairfield, California, USA. A round of applause to Tita Elias. Palakpakan lang po. Okay, wishing you an impressive 25th birthday. May each day be an exhibition of the even more astounding individual you are becoming. Happy 25th birthday to the ever-handsome Roel of Malalag. May God bless you from today and beyond. Okay? The third, the affable, conservative associate bank manager of Canada. She is from Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. Let's give a hand to Tita Lynn Leon. Okay, wishing you a very fantastic 25th birthday. May your life is even more special in a way that makes people accepts and loves you unconditionally. God bless you. Okay? Okay, the fourth, the ever-prudent, judicious Chief Executive Investment Officer and Secretary. She is from Melbourne, Australia. A round of applause to Tita Josie. Palakpakan naman po. May this milestone of your life filled with great joy, abundant blessing, and more so astonishing escapades life has to proffer. Happy 25th birthday to the ever-dapper Roel of Malalag. God bless you always. Okay, the fifth one, the very competent, distinguished Chief Executive Financial Advisor. She is from North York, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Let's give a hand to Tita Annabelle. Palakpakan naman po. As you turn a quarter of a century in your life, may each day be as extraordinary as you are. Happy 25th birthday to the very smart Roel of Malalag. God bless you. Okay, for the sixth one, the critical responsible care nurse in the emergency room. She is from Calgary, Alberta. Okay, let's give a hand to Tita Nancy. Palakpakan naman po. Okay, may God's grace enlightens your soul and lead you to a peaceful and prosperous life. Celebrate yourself today and always. Happy 25th birthday to good-looking Roel of Malaya. Okay, for the seventh, Tita, the analytical, efficient but bloody doctor nurse in the operating room. She is from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Let's give a hand to Tita Bing. Palakpakan naman po. As you enter the new phase of your life, may it be a chapter of success, genuine love, and the pursuit of your goals. Happy 25th birthday to the smart and suave Roel of Malalag. God bless you always. Okay, for the 8th, Tita, the meticulous, logical, administrative assistant officer from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Let's give a hand to Tita Arias. Palakpakan po. Wishing you a year to be an episode of success, unforgettable memories, and unending happiness. Happy 25th birthday to the very stylish Roel of Malala. God bless you. Okay, for the 9th, Tita, the very intuitive, steamed, dominant, and small but terrible professor. She is from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Let's give a hand to Tita Capricorn. Happy 25th birthday to the debonair, smart, and handsome Roel of Malalag. Your uniqueness makes you truly special. May this year be a celebration of your achievements, journey of growth, experiences, and self-discovery. May the Lord will richly bless you in every way. Okay, and for the 10th, Tita, the distinctive, alluring, and stunning Miss Universe of the group. She is from Honolulu, Hawaii, USA. Let's give a hand to Tita Miranda Agustian. Wishing you a very amazing 25th birthday. May this year be a chapter of growth, especially in your field of endeavor. God bless you always. Lastly, for the celebrant, here's a word of forethought or a reminder from your titas. Stay humble, curious, but do not ever mount on your high horse. Be bold, and if need be, ask assistance when needed to whom you can trust. Always assert a positive mind. Be optimistic even in difficult times. Never ever retaliate or panic on unpleasant fabricated social media articles. Enjoy the journey of life, celebrate your success, and appreciate good things occurring in your day-to-day happenings. Finally, acknowledge the presence of God, who in every way protecting you with good health, bountiful blessing, people who are always supporting you in your life journey, like your family, special one, real friends, and all others like your followers, who also plays a vital role and important instrument in your endeavor as to your chosen career, the blogging. Okay, from the gorgeous titas, thank you for being our stress reliever. You gave us strength and courage to embattle difficulties in life as we are far from home, the Philippines. We love you both very much, Roel of Malalag and Rachel Morales, and that is forever. That would be all. Thank you.
Wow! Muli po isang masigabong palakpakan. Yan, are the titas being mentioned? Ito po ba sila?
Please subscribe, Roel of Malalag.
Rachel Morales.
Thank you.